Welcome to the PubMed Clinical Queries Quick Information video. In our previous PubMed video, we completed simple searches using the general PubMed interface. In today's video, we're going to use one of the special sections of PubMed, the Clinical Queries tool, which limits to specific clinical research areas. The three sections include clinical study categories, systematic reviews, and medical genetics. To search this database, you simply put in your keyword and you will see the most recent 5 results for each of your categories. Within the categories themselves, you are able to limit further. In clinical study categories, we have the ability to limit by the specific category of study or the scope, broad and narrow. In medical genetics, you can choose a specific topic. To go further, you select See All, which will take you into the general PubMed abstract results page. As you can see here at the top, here is their actual search that they ran. Like the previous video, all of the limiters are the same, including article type, text availability, including free full text, publication dates, including specific year ranges and a custom range, studies species, and some additional filters as well. One thing to note is the results by year. This allows you to see if there's been any major spikes related to your specific topic and also narrow your search specifically by year. It is important to note that the results here are not necessarily comprehensive and should be supplemented by a traditional search, such as the one we did in the previous video. As always, if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to the librarians and we'll be more than happy to help you.